here we have to find the value of the limit. The limit is limit n tends to infinity 2 to the power half minus 2 to the power 1/3 into 2 to the power half minus 2 to the power 1/5 to 2 to the power half minus 2 to the power 1 by 2n plus 1. And 4 options are given. Okay, and this problem from JEE Main 2023, and this is from second shift 6th April. Okay, now we first let this term as a. Okay, so we have to find the limiting value of a as n tends to infinity. Clear? And it is clear that 2 to the power 1/3 is greater than 2 to the power 1/5 greater than 2 to the power 1 by 2n plus 1. Okay, it is well known result of all of us. Now if we subtract 2 to the power 1/3 from 2 to the power half, 2 to the power 1/5 from 1 by 2 to the power 1 by half, and this, then it is clear that 2 to the power half minus 2 to the power 1/3 is the least element among all the elements 2 to the power half minus 2 to the power 1/5, 2 to the power half minus 2 to the power 1/7 to 2 to the power half minus 2 to the power 1 by 2n plus 1. This is the least element. Okay, because subtraction is the greatest. So if we put this element in place of this and so on, then we get the result is least, and the result then we get is 2 to the power half minus 2 to the power 1/3 to the power n, because there are n elements. Okay, how can count this n element? Because this is 3, this is 5, this is 7, and this is 2n plus 1. Okay, and so it is clear that this is a arithmetic progression, and the first term is a3 and common difference is 2. So we get here a plus n minus 1 into 2. This is 2n plus 1. Right? This is the nth term. So we get here nth element. So we write here 2 to the power half minus 2 to the power 1/3 to the power n. And similarly, among all the n term, this is the greatest because the subtraction is the least. So we write in the right side as 2 to the power half minus 2 to the power 1 by 2n plus 1 to the power n. Okay, if we let this is b and this is c, then we get a less than b less than c. Okay, because this is b and this is c, and we know that 2 to the power half is approximately equal to 1.414, and 2 to the power 1/3 is greater than 1, and similarly 2 to the power 1 by 2n plus 1 is also greater than 1. So this term 2 to the power half minus 2 to the power 1/3 must be less than 1, because this is 1.414 minus 1, and this is also greater than 0, and similarly this term is also so here. Okay, and we say that the b and c both are mod less than 1 and mod less than 1, and we know that if we take the limit of b to the power n and limit of c to the power n, then this both limit are 0, because mod b less than 1 and mod c also less than 1 from this condition. This is to the power n, so this is b, and this is to the power n, so this is c here. Okay, now we use an important theorem of limit which is known as sandwich theorem. Sandwich theorem, and we state that if we take limit on three parts of quantity, then we get limit n tends to infinity b less equal to limit n tends to infinity a less equal to limit n tends to infinity c. And if we get this limit and this limit are same, that is, if we get limit L, this is also L, then we say that this limit must be equal to L. Okay, this is the sandwich theorem. And now we get that this limit is 0 and this limit is also 0. So the limit of the middle portion must be 0, and we write here this is 0, and this is our required result. So our option C is correct option. Okay, this is very important type problem of limit. Thank you for watching.